today's vlog,
we'll be sharing quick facts about SMDC Now Residences.
The project is Now Residences by SMDC. Did you know that this is the first condominium project of SMDC here in Pampanga? It is called Now Residences because the best time to invest is now.
Still on a pre-selling stage and tentative turnover date is June 2027. The project is strategically located at City Telabastagan, Friendship, City, Pampanga.
we have introductory price ranging from 3.1 million, which are still non-vatable, hence they are affordable. For as low as 9,000, you can start paying your monthly equity.
As you can see, we have the clubhouse, swimming pool, kiddie pool, basketball court, jogging path, and linear parks.
We have available studio and one-bedroom units. Size is more or less 24 square meters for a one-bedroom unit.
You will start paying your contagious after your turnover. However, we don't have an exact amount yet. Just to give you an idea, from our previous project, we have 77 pesos per square meter.
Likewise, for the parking, we will keep you posted once the inventory is released. That's why you have to stay tuned.
For more information about this project, feel free to contact us, any of our team members here in 𝐀𝐦𝐞𝐬𝐿